The story begins in a serene village at the edge of a dense forest. Villagers live peacefully, but one young man named Raj feels restless. Despite a comfortable life, he is troubled by constant anxiety and lack of purpose. One day, he decides to seek the guidance of Gautam Buddha, who is known for helping people discover peace and fulfillment. Raj sets out on a journey to find Buddha. As he walks through the forest, he meets an old hermit who tells him that the path to Buddha's monastery is long and arduous. The hermit advises Raj to be patient and persistent. After days of traveling, Raj finally arrives at Buddha's monastery, tired and worn out. He approaches Buddha with deep respect and shares his troubles, his inner turmoil, his lack of purpose, and his desire for peace. Buddha listens patiently to Raj's concerns. After a moment of reflection, Buddha smiles and asks Raj to sit. He begins telling a story about a monk who was constantly searching for happiness outside, not realizing that true peace lies within. Buddha narrates, "There was once a monk who, like you, was restless. He traveled far and wide, seeking wisdom and fulfillment. However, no matter where he went or whom he met, he could not find peace. One day, he met an enlightened sage who told him, 'You are like a person searching for something they already have in their hands. Peace is within you. It is not found elsewhere.'" After hearing Buddha's story, Raj begins to realize that his constant search for meaning outside of himself was futile. Buddha tells him that patience, meditation, and mindfulness are the keys to unlocking inner peace. Raj is instructed to spend time in quiet meditation, reflecting on his thoughts and emotions without attachment. Over the next few days, Raj practices meditation daily. Slowly, his mind begins to calm, and he feels a sense of peace he had never experienced before. His restlessness fades, replaced by a deep understanding that happiness and purpose come from within. After a few weeks, Raj approaches Buddha again. Buddha smiles and asks him, "Have you found what you were searching for?" Raj nods and replies, "Yes, I found peace within myself." Buddha reminds him that life's struggles will continue, but by practicing mindfulness and patience, he can maintain his inner peace despite the chaos around him. Raj returns to his village, transformed and at peace. His family and friends notice a remarkable change in him. He no longer chases external validation or material things. Instead, he practices mindfulness and teaches others the wisdom he learned from Buddha. The story concludes with a narration of Buddha's words, "Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without." Raj's journey symbolizes the struggles we all face in life, and how, by looking inward and practicing mindfulness, we can find the peace we seek.